Hello my neighbors, good morning again. This is the other side today, Tuesday, the 7th. We try to complete this. I join on to this one. From this other Monday so to this, this so. We get a balance of 26 bag and some stand and some stone. We will finish today. So mind this, steady compound the stone for like grip well. So here we want to engage. Here then we don't concrete them, but this stone be so high, then cut them back so that we will get a normal level. So by the 26 bags, if God make we able to get this part, then we just left halfway from that corner, climb down, and then because we target for joining to this, join onto the end. Then we just left that half corner in there, then with this half corner. And we hope see, but we don't get to that edge in. This now almost bag we put here so 20, eh? But where una the cutter now, you go make that video there. Okay, one can go do something up quick. Or you call me. So this is 20 bag, but when the cutter we will get a video for when the cutter corner with tabunda and the see when the cut everybody for partake of it. So now the 20 bag, the 6 bag there. For this 6 bag here, don't sign or done. We left about 2 bag for completer to the edge. I go there with the video alone see. So for end and day. No candle. No candle. So this is the side. We want to try for joiner. We want to fight very hard by God's grace to be able to join to this. If you carry come so, you will go up. This just for left first. You know, so that 6 bag no go do now. In the stone back, we not get cool right now. We not get cool. So we don't buy up to 6 bag. We say that up small. So we don't pay for the coal actually. I mean, we don't pay for the stone them all from this one till go down. But the coal issue. You please though we come in low right where 5-6 bag. There is no problem. See the man no work today because coal no did today. And myself not get anything today. So this is it. See? This thing for because we need for let them broke the stone. There you go so. So this is the work. So far. Now this is the left for now. This 50 bag or 60 bag, you don't take it because look inside the concrete for that. From this side, this so on small side. The big side we target so. Okay, on small side. 2 trip sand to 60 bag. We done this. Take it to the edge because we got to just for past down side. So this is it. This all my work we don't do. Starting come out, they don't pay for the stones them. And they have some sand this way left for the 6 bag over there for use. And this for this we left an eye and this for end inside the woman and this way. End. So see, it's not the 29 bag name we take now. So it's all see very good work. Very, very good work. So now this half 9 left. So now you just left. So now about 2 bag. And we go because we want to extend the stone to that stone and there. We take this wood on so we will get this fine because still we must carry and all levels. So we will take care. Now yeah, 2 or 3 bags. We want to use. Oh, we see everything because I tell them say, let we put the stone. They come here. then you come start here. Yeah. So if we get here now, just for the gutter. The gutter where they pass here now, we're end up so. But for now, we'll go still manage the road. So now this now the work. This half side and the left, now the city side. Just small side. We don't try. We don't really try. We thank you for we all. So this is it. So but then they end up today by His grace, then they end up the 3 bag, maybe 6 bag for left. 3 up, so I go need adjustment, then 3 down, okay, adjust here again. Let me go pack this answer. So now this now the work. This are the stone them. They already don't paid for broke them all. But we not get cool for broke them. We not get cool at all. 1 bag coal here now 150. Let's see, 150 leaves. Coal no day. This all this other Maya they now we stone that we don't pay for. But coal no day. The man no work today because of coal no day. So you know funny. So this is it. This is the work. I just shown that they go up again. One day till they open all the bags, then I can go. I want to go out quick. This is it. This is it. This is it. I don't want to left. This all on the big side. We don't do them really. These are the work we all don't do. This and this. These are the sansan for the inside. And this small side all left. This 60 bag. We carry good. If everybody put 10 bags, if we don't reach them by the grace of God, or 15 bags because of the gutter, or your hand fine, you know they make road, you know adjust the gutter because the water they carry the ipa. You see, yeah, water they pass here. If we not able to complete here at the end of the day, yeah, they all the poil. See, but water they cross. Some they go so, some they go so. If we make an so they slope. So when we attack them with the cross go na the gutter. And also we don't try. This na half one for we. We go down now by the grace of God. So this is all we have done. She then broke the hill to the way that where the concrete gold match to the end now. At the same level. In Maya don't try. And don't really try and work towards the expectation. We always see how they work. When I see the level, as they put the concrete from yonder to here, we take a long time for get this level. Anyway, they will bread stone. Where the level no match, we pull our all back with cutter. But now we don't match. Mr. King Kamara, the engineer, we watch. I say no, we not cut them back. So we don't need cut them. But this is the last level now. You see the depth of the stone and the depth of the concrete. Will be put out, they just can't cover surface. So we cannot go strangle again. So this is it. We still get much work to do because we not complete this yet. The gutters then the stone breaking, they don't pay for the whole stone for break and but cool no day. So all this. The man then save the first deposit. We then give them. Then don't exhaust them. Now the see now the kind manpower we then they take. The kind money we then they spend. You know really easy. They allow make them smile, allow make them happy. For do them work here, I know easy. No easy. You just take grace of God. And I can come out when are the boss where they talk to them. You see, but no easy. They allow we come on board. Allow we help. But we just see they say we all do them for one motive. So please, day come, night come, rain come, sun come, they are under here. And then I yard and they do the work. They are all here for add the cement here. Forget here. So you see, so we don't come. See the concrete thing. I believe say we don't do the best. So you see what's in the left. All on one level. We have done it already. See. So now this half one they left inside here. Then with the half one over yonder. So we get 80 bags safe, 60 bags safe. We will see how far they go. 2 trips and then half stone again. We don't complete we road. They hello we come on board. No we not stop. No we no say all we material there we will give una the see na the road na there you go. And a guarantee road. You see the cement in color. See this will last with we for long because we mix sand to the best way where we safe go enjoy them. So just like it, we do work for people there, we do work for we safe. So this is it. So that's my thank you for watch. So don't forget to demand them. We don't deposit them. They say they don't exhaust the money. So another money no they give for continue this half one go down. So they need other deposits. So they are pleased that we help you safe. So this is it. All I can say today, this is it. I am with her. And I thank you. Don't forget to not get cool for the breaking of the stone continue. Cement no day again. At the last bag then so the enders. We not get sand again. Stone at the last stone this. So all the material they done today. So please, if we come back on board once a while, one time again, we don't conquer everything. Then we don't get a long-lasting road where we all go enjoy. Okay, bye-bye to we all. Oh, materials they all not go stock again. Neither we save we own vehicles, they not go stock again. We all go come now we place there because from here to go outside at the same now. You see? Now bye-bye. The cement in the church also the 20 baht cents. I want to do this concrete thing. So remain and store 6 bags. So all the 81 bags then go so 29, 20, 26, then with 6 where then I have store. So if you check all it will be 81. The first mix 25 up here, and then use 1 bag because we rain come cold. So put on patap. Then down the first mix 26. And they had 3 bags, they go 29. And today 20. Only 6 bags left in the store. So this is all the cement we will buy. Stone are the last one, this Sansan. And the last one is weighed only for the 6 bag. So all the material I work for the 81 bag. No, don't check, Charlie. Okay, thank you.